So, you guys, there is a new show called Untied on Show Max, which is hosted by, of course, Oreleborile Mabocha, whereby she basically interviews ladies who have been through it all, public figures, of course. And the very first episode premiered 2 days ago, and the first guest was Nonku Williams, who opened up about everything. You guys, she left no stone unturned, and people, of course, wanted to know about her relationship with the late gospel artist Osviso Ngwane, and she detailed how they actually met. And she said that at the first when she first met Usviso Ngwane, she had no idea that Usviso Ngwane was actually a gospel artist. She said that she met Usviso Ngwane at a guest house, which her mother was a manager at, and said that they got very much close. And yeah, and fast forward, they got into a relationship. She didn't even know that Usiso Ngwane was in a relationship with Ayanda Ngwane. She says that it was months later, when she was heavily pregnant, when she discovered that Usiso is actually getting married to Ayanda Ngwane through a magazine cover, you guys. And she stated that that was the end for her and Usiso. She also talks about how she loves the value of marriage, how she loves and adore marriage, how growing up she wanted to be a married wife. It didn't matter to her who she would marry. She said that I would marry even anything, anything, as long as it's alive, as long as I am married, I will do it. She stated that she got virginity testing at a very young age, and she says that whole experience definitely traumatized her. She also talked about her very much toxic marriage to her ex-husband. I mean, it was, I think, a year ago where we saw a video of her detailing the traumas that she had undergone at the hands of this man. She tells us a story about one day whereby the ex-husband actually wanted to delete her, and she says that she had to basically admit to something that she didn't do, because she knew that if she didn't do that, he was going to unalive her. And lastly, she talks about the most notorious relationship, her relationship, which we saw on the Real Housewives of Durban, her relationship with RD. She says that, you know what, I actually knew that relationship was not are going to end well. But she says that she met RD through someone who she trusted, a very mutual friend. And she said, she thought to herself, let me just give this a chance and see where it takes me. And she says that, I actually have myself to blame for allowing RD into my life. So, you guys, please do make sure that you do watch the rest of the interview. It's called Untied on Show Max. And of course, engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.